I'm Michelle Bridenbaker, and I'm currently the Global Head of Medical Information at Recordati Rare Diseases and Recordati Specialty and Primary Care. We have so many different tasks and things that we need to accomplish. So content generation, content maintenance, multi-channel support. We have a call center. We wanted to look for a partner to help us with tackling some of our key areas, but as well to maximize the amount of human resource that we actually have within our team. We began looking at different solutions, really required some automation or some augmentation of our human capabilities. Our challenges are not unlike many other medical information teams. We really decided to take on in our model global responsibilities, global support, and with that comes the need to be able to then accommodate that and create the right amount of content and to do that quickly. So we were saying, okay, let's leverage this large language model approach and see if this could really impact what we did on a day-to-day basis. Some of us had used basic LLMs. It was like, okay, we can do some cool things, but it's not quite where it needs to be. How do I bring this into my actual team's workflow? And that was really kind of the determining issue. We wouldn't have, I think, actualize the kind of augmentation and support and return on investment that we would need. When we started discussing what the AVAYL team was hoping to achieve with their solution, it was clear that this was kind of going to finally put all those pieces of the puzzle together. Seeing how dynamic and how truly a partner that they are serving as through this growth journey for us as we're learning, but also for them to learn how we really work in the real world. There's something about that I think really separates that collaboration from others. The integrations that we're seeking out, whether it's for our informational purposes, it's from a functional perspective for copyright, or again, functionally with the tools that we use to do our literature searches, all these things have continuously made this an even stronger capability for us. And I think what we'll see is that we will certainly be able to turn around much more content. I see this as not just being a tool for MedInfo, but potentially being a great companion for our MSLs and for my medical directors. So what started out as this will be an amazing project for medical information, I now see with all the enhancements and all the integrations that we've achieved together, that this also could be an even more powerful tool for the wider business as well. After working with AVAYL and with the MedPro solution, I certainly would recommend that you, at the minimum, give it a look. The difference with AVAYL has been that experience and really truly trying to understand what we do on a day-to-day basis and not making that an afterthought. They ask a lot of questions, they're curious. I would always recommend making sure that you do invite AVAYL to the table if you are looking for this kind of solution, because you will see the difference.